Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Bulls Club. My name is Soham. So guys, this is an emergency video about the Bitcoin price. As you know already, the Bitcoin price is breaking down. And if we quickly get the diagrams, you will be able to show this very clearly that the Bitcoin price is actually breaking out of this parabola since, in which we were there since the beginning of mid of June actually, right? So we went to the lows of about 17,585 back in 18th of June, but since then we were inside this parabola and this move, right? And we can also call it an rising wedge as well. But as you can see right now, the price is breaking out of this parabola, and this is a kind of a trend reversal, guys, right? Because we were inside this for more than a couple of months now, and we are breaking out of it right now, and we are breaking out of it with some conviction. Now what do I mean by conviction? If we quickly plot the RSI, you will be able to see this very clearly. Let me quickly get the RSI. On the RSI also, we are breaking a major trend. What exactly is that trend, guys? So if I quickly get the trend line, you will be able to see that we have actually broken below a particular trend line which we were following, right? So which is extremely critical, and we have actually broken below this line. You can see this very clearly. The RSI was holding on to this line for quite some time, since the beginning, since the low of June 16th, when Bitcoin went to the lows of 17,600. Since then we were making continuous higher lows, right? But for the first time we have broken below this trend, and we have also broken this particular parabola. We were finding resistance right on top. You can see the green line right here. Also, this parabola was holding support. What do I mean by the parabola? You can see that there was a curve in the support for the prices, and we have broken through it. And also the RSI is breaking a major support level. This could be disastrous for the Bitcoin price, guys. Okay, now for the today, the Bitcoin price went to the lows of 23,322, but currently it is rallying at around 23,600. We are seeing some recovery. But guys, if the Bitcoin price on the daily chart closes below this particular trend line, then it will mean that this is a trend reversal and we are going down. Now when we are going down, what are the next levels of support and resistances? Let's quickly get that. So first, what we will do is we'll pull out the moving averages first, and on the moving averages you will be able to see that since about 27th of July or so, we were holding on to the green line. What is the green line that you see over here? The green line is the 20-day simple moving average. Yes, we got a daily closure below it on August 4th, but we immediately went above it on August 5th, and since then we have been treating it as a support multiple number of times. But currently what we are doing is we are below the 20-day. Will we close the 20-day? Will we close the candle below the 20-day? That is something that needs to be seen. There is still about 5 hours and 17 minutes to go from the time of recording for this candle to close. Now if we break this 20-day, first of all, we are very close to to the 20-day. The 20-day is at about 23,600 approximately, and we are currently close to 23,550, right? 560 to be precise, right? And if we get a closure above it, then we are holding it as a support. That is good thing. But on the contrary, if we break it, what is the next level of support? The next level, we will pull out the Fibonacci. For the Fibonacci, what is the next level? So you will be able to see this clearly, that the golden pocket of the Fibonacci, the 61.8, is coming in at about 23,160, which may act as a support, as it did act as a support multiple number of times. You can see this on August 8th, on August 9th, on August 10th, which acted as a support. It acted as a resistance multiple number of times. It acted as resistance back in 3rd of August, 4th of August, 5th of August, 6th, 7th of August. So we treated this 61.8 as a very important level for the Bitcoin price, and if we get a closure below 23,600 for the day, we might see this level of 23,160 being tested, right? Also, from the structure point of view, we have broken this parabola. Now what needs to be seen is we will make another attempt to go above it, guys. Okay, and if we get a rejection, at around 23,826, which is the 78.6 Fibonacci, we can see this very clearly right here. This is the 78.6 Fibonacci. If we get rejected here, or if we get rejected at this parabola, we might see further dumps coming into the market. And also the RSI is indicating that the trend is actually getting broken right now. Okay, now what are the things that needs to be keep in mind? Now, of course, the Ethereum merge is coming up, and it could be a buy the rumor sell the news kind of an event wherein people were actually buying Ethereum, and it was actually Ethereum which was pushing the market very high. But with the merge coming very soon, it's about 29 or 30 days from the time of recording, and if we see a major sell off going into the event, then the Bitcoin prices will struggle as well. Right now, also another thing to note here is that September is coming. It's about 10 or 12 days from the time of recording that we are away from September, and historically September has been the worst month for Bitcoin and crypto historically, right? So what do I feel? I personally believe that the bottom for the market cycle could be very near, guys. Okay, it could be as soon as September or mid of October, right? So I have been saying this all the way since Bitcoin actually fell from the highs of 45,000, because 45,000 was at the point the 200 is simple moving average, and we booked our profits right there. So according to me, I am I bought Bitcoin right around the 19,000. I have sold it once this parabola was broken. So currently I am still on cash completely. If we see another dump to the lows of maybe 17,000 or to the lows of 14,000, you don't know, right? So if we break this low right here of 17,585, which we saw on 18th of June, then definitely I think we might be going to $14,000, or for that matter even $12,000, maybe a week or so, right? I will treat that as a great buying opportunity. Would be buying a lot of coins. What are the coins I'll be buying? Follow our YouTube channel, subscribe to the channel, and I will share my portfolio. Also, do let me know what is your portfolio position right now. Are you holding Bitcoin? If so, what is the position? Are you planning to buy more Bitcoin? If yes, then go down to the comment section and comment buy Bitcoin. And if you are planning to not buy any Bitcoin further, or if you are holding onto Bitcoin, comment hodl. Okay, so guys, keep this diagram on your chart very keep this on your charts and track it very closely, because guys, according to me, I think that we are going to go up and test one more time if we get a rejection, because today we have broken through it, right? If we go above it, if we go and retest it and treat it as a resistance, then I think the major dump will come along. So pay very close attention, and guys, time is running out for the Bitcoin price. So with that being said, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.